Hi folks, Anthony.Salazar, Big Sal here from Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at a 2020 Forest River Sunseeker, a 2400Q. It's a nice pre-owned C-Class coach we got, kind of a unique floor plan. Let's go in and take a look at it. Come inside, walk right into your kitchen area. It's got a 2-burner gas cooktop, a little microwave convection oven, great overhead storage, lots of storage in this coach for being a small coach. Kind of a unique little dinette area with an adjustable table. This is on the Mercedes diesel platform, so it's got all the bells and whistles that you'd expect from Mercedes. Another little third captain's chair in here as well, with a little desktop that you can pull out. Kind of a cool coach, so you can take 4 people along with you in this unit, and it'll still sleep 4 because you got the overhead bunk up here, and then you've got the nice walk around bed in the back. Good size refrigerator on this unit, and a nice pantry area as well. You also have a very nice sized bathroom and a big medicine cabinet with a lot of storage. Nice size shower. Like I said, beautiful coach. It's a pre-owned, it's low miles. Folks, if you like this unit or any other unit here at Guaranty RV, please give me Big Sal a call, 951-443-8323.